What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Ryan back at you with another video. Today we're going to go up to Raleigh, North Carolina to a Rising Coffee. My buddy that drives a Hellcat, he's in front of me right now, but he was saying that they have some awesome cars up there like Lambos, GTRs, other Mustangs, other Hellcats, just all kind of awesome stuff. And they have free food and music, everything like that. So we're gonna go check it out and see what it's all about. Hopefully it's not too bad. Alright guys, so we're leaving the car show. It wasn't too bad. There's a lot of imports out there. It's not what I expected. I expected to see more Ferraris, Lambos, stuff like that, just because it was in like a kind of nice area, I guess. There are a lot of cool cars nevertheless, but that about wraps up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Please hit that subscribe button if you hadn't already. Have a great day.